Okay, so now we're looking at investigating personal living expenses. So fixed expenses, they don't change in the cost over a period of a year, meaning the price is on a yearly basis. What's fixed by an annual contract, so it doesn't change. There's limited opportunity to change the cost or make savings during the year, and making savings or changes can generally be done well in advance. Okay, so look at this. So you've got your car rego, your internet, your private health insurance. Let me just move this out the way. Mortgage repayments, mobile phone plan, your car insurance, your rent for your accommodation, your loans, your house insurance, your council rates. Those are things that don't normally change. So then we have variable expenses. So that means they change in cost. So depending on what's happening, it's determined by the quantity consumed. And you've got some choice to either consume more or less, or you can shop around. So let's have a look. Your lunch with friends, concert tickets, birthday presents, coffee at a cafe, clothing, groceries, water bill, entertainment, electricity bill, taxis, car fuel, and public transport. So variable means it can change, and fixed means it stays the same, basically. So multiples of various time periods that give 1 year. So basically you want every answer to give you a year. So 52 weeks in 1 year. And then you've got 26 fortnights in 1 year. Okay. You've got 12 months in 1 year. And you've got, if they ask you about quarters, you've got 4 lots of 3 months, which give you 12 months, which is a year. So a quarter is obviously divided by 4. And then 6 months, you've got 2 lots of 6 months in a year. All right, those last 2, if you're not sure, make sure you write that down. So if you have a look at all these costs here, which are fixed. So there we go. You've got your mortgage repayments, your car rego, your private health, your internet plan, your rent, house insurance, your personal loan, car insurance, your mobile phone plan. Those would be fixed. Sometimes your mobile phone plan isn't. So some of these are sometimes variable. Variable expenses, so we've got your clothing, public transport, lunch with friends, your groceries, your takeaway coffee, your car fuel, your theme park tickets, water bill, birthday presents, concert tickets. Pretty much self-explanatory. So now we're going to convert the costs to yearly costs. Okay, so you've got rent, which is $415 per week. So how many weeks in a year? We times it by 52. And that gives us the answer. Make sure that you show your working out so I know what you're timesing it by. You've got your mobile plan, which is $89 per month. So how many months in a year? 12. So we times by 12. So we're getting a yearly amount. Private health insurance, $117 per month. Same as the one above, we times by 12. Then we've got our council rates, which are $690 for 6 months. So how much do we pay for a year? So in that instance, we times it by 2. There you go. Then we've got your internet plan, which is $60 a month. We times it by 12. Your car insurance of $177 per quarter. What did we say? How many quarters are there in a year? So we times it by 4. There you go. Car rego for 6 months. How many 6 months are there in a year? We know there are 2. There you go. And then you've got your mortgage repayments, which are per fortnight. How many fortnights are there in a year? You should know there are 26. So we times by 26. And that's all for that one.